Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can install Windows 11 in your PC. I would not recommend to install the Windows 11 in your PC, rather install in softwares like VirtualBox and Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a paid software which allows you to run all the operating systems. And it has less functionality though, but VirtualBox has a lot of functionality, and the main part about it is completely free. After clicking the first link in the description below and installing the ISO file, set up the process of Windows 11. It is completely free and it is very easy to. And after installing Windows 11, it is very cool that it has customized taskbar, and also it has beautiful wallpaper. Whoa, this is actually very beautiful. So yes, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing here, and here's an amazing video. Whoa, and see you the next time. Bye bye.